So, if you want to work on your mindset and you want to find different ways to grow yourself, then going through this is probably one of the best decisions that you can make. For the price point that it's at, it's just astonishing the amount of value that has been added. I mean, they've taught us about perceived value, and I perceive this value as extremely valuable because the ways that I feel like I'm going to be able to impact the marketplace, even if not only from, using a drone, but using whatever, I want to do, because the mindset and the business principles they teach you are just sound on the first day, and you can apply them towards any aspect of your life. I appreciate Drone Command so much for putting this on. I know that they don't have to do it. When you guys got to understand, once people are wealthy, they don't have to do things like this. Like, it is such a privilege for us to be able to get into these rooms. Like, super humbled by them. Love it. Thank you, Drone Command. You guys are awesome.